Big news from Lovable. Lovable were the fastest, if not the fastest growing startups of all time, released a new update called Lovable Cloud, an AI, a new chapter for vibe coding. Anyone can now build apps with complex AI and backend functionality just by prompting. 100K plus new ideas, tools, and sites are being built on Lovable daily. Today, we're redefining what is possible. If you've used Lovable before, then you know that you can just type in a box what you want, and Lovable will actually go and build it for you in real time. And has exploded over the last couple of years. And now they're actually bringing a lot of the functionality and tools that were previously hosted outside of Lovable, like a database, like Auth, etc., or like login and log out, inside of Lovable with a big new update. I thought we'd actually watch this video together because it is pretty awesome.
Hi, I'm Victor, one of the first engineers at Lovable. Today we're introducing Lovable Cloud and Lovable AI. And to show you how simple it is, 10-year-old Theo is going to build an app with complex AI and backend functionality just by prompting. Let's give Lovable your first prompt.
Okay, build me an app that teaches me math and remember which questions I got wrong and right.
Perfect. Normally, to make something like this, you'd have to manually set up something called a database, basically memory for your app, where it can store data, users, and more. But with Lovable Cloud, all of that happens automatically. You don't even have to know what a database is. It just works. Okay, Theo, it looks like it's working. What's next?
I want to add AI so it can give me hints for how to solve the math problems.
Amazing. Normally, adding AI features means signing up with an AI provider, creating and copy-pasting an API key, and manage separate billing. But with Lovable AI, this functionality is built in. Lovable adds a fully working AI feature to Theo's app instantly, with no extra setup.
That was easy. Do people think this is hard?
It used to be, but now, in just a few minutes, Theo's built his math app with backend functionalities and AI. And with one click, it's published and ready for anyone to use. Millions of people are building apps and even businesses with Lovable. Now, with Lovable Cloud and AI, the hardest parts of making real apps, setting up a backend and adding AI, are handled automatically.
I guess I'm an engineer now.
Sure.
That's incredible. Kudos to the Lovable team. I know they're one of the most monstrous startups ever. The team is insanely good, and this is an incredible feature update, or two feature updates, cloud and AI. So just to recap there, what they've done is actually brought the database inside of Lovable. So you usually, or previously, you'd have to go to Superbase, set up a Superbase account, bring stuff in, connect it, use a variety of different prompts, tell it where you want to store the info, etc. Now I think the backend is still powered by Superbase, but it's natively inside of Lovable, so you actually don't really need to think about it. And they've brought in AI. So with our new Lovable AI, you can add AI functionality to your apps easily. No setup, API keys, or separate billing. Just ask Lovable to add AI capability to your app, and it will do it for you. Lovable AI, powered by Google Gemini models, is free until October the 5th for all users. So here you can see add AI so it can give me hints for how to solve my math problems. This was what we saw previously. Just adds AI. Don't have to add any API keys. It's crazy. And then you've got inbuilt Lovable Cloud, which is the full backend for your Lovable app, which means login, databases, file uploads, all behind the scenes work are all taken care of automatically. This is what you kind of call a full stack app rather than just like a website which just displays info. It means your users can log in, take action, store that information, use AI, etc. And we're now seeing people already building real businesses with Lovable. Now, there's a meme going around which is entirely false, that people aren't building real businesses with Lovable. They're just building websites or landing pages. Obviously, that's not true. But these are three published use cases. Sabrine is a product, a women's safety app, went from zero to $456,000 per year in annual recurring revenue in 3 months. Lumo, 700,000 in 7 months. Rory, 100K in 6 months with his marketplace. And now you can too. So if you've got an idea, go over to Lovable, type it in the box, speak it in the box, and see what you can come up with. It's completely free for the next, how long was it for this weekend? Free until October 5th. So it's free for a week. And another funny thing, actually, yesterday, just after they released it, Gemini went down. So I wonder if the insane traffic that Lovable drive to Gemini with their free API keys, etc., might have took Gemini down. Unconfirmed rumors of that, but yeah, the Lovable team has spent months on this update, and we're excited to finally share it with you. To celebrate, we're doing a 7-day build challenge. Each day this week, we're spotlighting apps and share a daily theme and give out gifts. Today's theme is productivity. Use Lovable Cloud and AI to build workflows, improve on tools that you have used day to day, or productivity hack yourself. Post it on X or LinkedIn with a video and links and tag us. The challenge details are here at lovable.dev/cloud. Let me just share that page so you can see it. But yeah, this is an absolute epic update. Here you go. It's the build challenge, and you've got all the information on the new releases and how to use them. Actually, maybe at the end of this, if you've got time, we'll actually just jump in and show how that works and see if we can spin something up in a few minutes.